not California, it's not Bondi Beach, it's not the South Pacific or even the Caribbean Sea. This is the Pentland Firth, the section of water joining the Atlantic with the North Sea. Slightly colder than foreign glamorous waters, but even more satisfying. And once a year, it's home to the world's most northerly surfing competition, the O'Neill Coldwater Classic. Competitors can wear gloves and even headgear to cope with the low temperatures, but the hardy make do with a standard wetsuit. The surf is as challenging as it gets, barrelling fast reef breaks and powerful beach breaks. When the world's best take to the Scottish waters, it's superb to watch. It takes a hard man to enter the Pentland Firth and a very talented one to win the competition. Next year, come and see for yourself.